Zoran's kitchen adventures cooking with carbs. A dragon's pantry. Welcome to Zoran's cozy cave kitchen, where flames dance in the hearth, and the aroma of carb-loaded delights fills the air. Our dragon chef dons an apron scaled, of course, and wields a spatula like a seasoned bard's quill. Let's explore the magical world of carbs. 1. Complex carbs. The sustainers, Zoran's favorite pantry item, ancient grains quinoa, farro, and barley. These complex carbs are like slow-burning embers. They keep him soaring through long flights without the dreaded energy crash. Quinoa. Tiny seeds packed with protein and fiber. Zoran boils them until they fluff up like miniature clouds. Farro. Chewy and nutty, like a forest adventure in every bite. Zoran tosses it with roasted veggies and herbs. Barley. Hearty and comforting. Zoran simmers it into a thick stew, adding mushrooms and whispers of garlic. 3. Why no keto? Zoran chuckles, stirring a bubbling cauldron of lentil soup. Keto, he says. Dragons don't fear carbs, they embrace them. Energy reserves. Dragons need reserves for epic quests. Carbs fill their treasure chests. Firepower. Glucose powers Zoran's fire-breathing theatrics. Keto would douse his flames. Dragon bread. Zoran bakes loaves of dragon-shaped bread, whole grain, of course. Keto bread, not in this cave. And so, my friend, whether you're a dragon or a human, remember, carbs are your allies. They fuel adventures, warm hearts, and turn ordinary meals into epic sagas.